Okay, I am now recording. Going to be doing a repair for Mr. Chandravilas Isaac. I'm going to be recording this repair for liability purposes to protect myself and my company. Also, I have already attempted 2 other repairs in this neighborhood on 2 other separate homes. One of them you can actually see over there, both of which failed. So just want to record that to be sure. I'm going to be using the State Farm approved shingle snake. I will be using fresh nails and fresh nail holes. I will do my absolute best to keep every shingle below a 40-degree lift. However, I think it's fair to point out that almost any roofing company coming out here to do a repair is not going to keep that into account. Also, I will be inspecting the 7 above this shingle here for damage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will be gently wiping and tapping these 7 to simulate wind gusts and rainfall. And from there we will see if this repair holds up or not. Like I said, I'll be using the State Farm approved shingle snake. I'll be using fresh nails, fresh nail holes. And with that being said, and yes, like I said, below a 40-degree lift as well. I believe that is everything. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Should leave this glove off. Forgive me for if I'm taking frequent water breaks. It is extremely hot. All right. Alrighty, so you can see, successfully removed the shingle, keeping everything below a 40-degree lift. Let's go ahead and put the new shingle in. Real quick, take a quick water break. All right. Oh man. All right. Like I said, I'll be using fresh nails and fresh nail holes for this. See where we go, right there. I do also want to point out that I didn't mention earlier, just a few seconds of me wiping and tapping on these shingles is really not indicative of a whole hour of wind-driven rain on this roof. So I feel like that's just fair to point out. I guess I should say equivalent, not indicative. Okay, got those. Oh my goodness, it's toasty. Right there. Go right there. Good. Good. I'll go ahead and toss one more right here. That needs it. Yep. Right at the beginning of that shingle. Golly, I hope this thing is still recording. It is hot. Okay, as you can see, successfully removed and replaced the shingle, keeping it below a 40-degree lift, using fresh nails, fresh nail holes, using State Farm approved shingle snake as well. Now, what I'm going to do next is gently wipe and tap these 7 above to simulate wind gusts and rainfall. And like I said earlier in the video, I think it's fair to mention that just a little bit of wiping and tapping is not the same as an hour of consistent wind-driven rainfall. All right, so, oh yeah, here, let me put this GoPro up closer. Yeah, I mean, massive granular loss. I dropped my piece of chalk, otherwise I would be slashing that, but that is a fail. Number 1 is a fail. Number 3 already failed. Look at that granular loss. Number 3 failed. Number 2. Yup. Granular loss. Number 2 is a fail. Number 4. Oh yeah. Look at that granular loss. Okay, number 4, fail. Number 5. 5 is a fail. Number 6. Yep, look at all that granular loss. I mean, that is awful. Number 6 is also a fail. Number 7 is already failing. Yep, look at that. All that granular loss. It's kind of hard to see with the sun and the shadow, but I mean, this is every single one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 all failed this repairability attempt. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna now have to go repair these. And what'll happen after that is the ones after that will then get damaged, and I'll have to repair those, and it'll damage the ones above those, and so forth. And it's just a domino effect going all the way up to the ridge, which then the ridge cap and the ridge vent will also have to be replaced. And that's for every single one of these shingles. And I know in the estimate it only said 3 shingles, but your inspector seemed to have found just as many as I did. There's another. So all the way up, all the way up, it's gonna have to be replaced. Right here, here's another one. See that? So all the way up to the ridge cap and the ridge vent will also have to be replaced. I'm not climbing over to this side of the roof because it is quite steep and very hot to grab onto, but there is another one there, very clear as day, that will also have to be replaced up to the ridge cap. And there's more on every single face of this roof. Here's another, all the way up. Ridge cap and ridge vent has to be replaced. On this side as well. Look, ridge cap and ridge vent on this will also have to be replaced all the way up. It's a domino effect. And here is another that will cause a domino effect of damage all the way up to the ridge and ridge cap itself. Grab my phone, get it out of the sun so it does not reheat. Okay, there's more. So that was just right over here and that. So we got this one as well. Look at that. All the way up. Ridge cap and ridge vent. Look at this. All the way up. And it doesn't just go straight up. It spreads out left and right. So I mean, this one eventually, you know, it's interlapped with this face of the roof, goes underneath there. So I mean, just having to replace this one shingle, you're gonna have to replace this face of the roof. I mean, it's hot. Okay, we have another over here. There was 11 plus wind damaged shingles on the front. Went all the way up. There's another. Going all the way up. Ridge cap and ridge vent will have to be replaced. And it's just like that on the back. And in fact, there's even more on the back. More than 3 just blown, completely torn off. So I'm not really sure how we got only 3 here, but yeah, there's 14 plus over here. So, yep, all the way up to the ridge cap, ridge vent. Look at this. Ridge cap, ridge vent will have to be replaced. Same with this. Look at that, clear as day. It's going all the way up. It will have to be replaced all the way up to the ridge cap and ridge vent. Even these ones, all the way down here, going all the way up. It's right here, all the way up to the ridge and the ridge cap and the ridge vent. That one, I mean, they're everywhere on this roof. And frankly, this neighborhood, like I said earlier in the video, you know, this is the 3rd roof that I've been on in this neighborhood, and 3rd repair attempt, which all of these roofs were installed the same time, with the same material, by the same builders. Another. And look, this one, it's going all the way up. So now this flashing for the pipe collar is gonna have to be replaced. Same with this one. All the way up to the ridge cap, ridge vent. Same with these. It's going all the way up the ridge cap and ridge vent. So like I said, I counted 14 plus on just the back. We had 11 plus on just the front. And actually, before I forget, we also had damage on the lower front slope. Let me go ahead and climb down there. It's only a couple, but it is damage that will need to be addressed. Oh. All right, we're on the lower front level now. And as you can see, there's more damage here, which will cause more damage, domino effect all the way up to this flashing. And now this flashing is gonna have to be replaced. All through here, all of this flashing is gonna have to be replaced because of the shingle. Same with these two, right here. Look, in there. It's gonna have to be repaired all the way up to the flashing. Flashing's gonna have to be repaired. All of this. So with all of this in mind, let me climb back up to the top. With all of this in mind, I'm going to have to obviously fail this repair attempt completely. And in order, well, so I guess let me explain a little bit more about what's gonna happen with this. These lines, excuse me, this is granular loss. Okay, so now this is affecting the water shedding capabilities of the roof. Water is going to seep into every single one of these. So you cannot go ahead and repair this and leave these shingles like this, because now every single one of these 7 shingles is compromised and is going to cause a leak. So with all of this in mind, I'm going to have to respectfully request a full roof replacement for Mr. Chandravilas Isaac to bring his home to its pre-claim condition. Thank you very much.